Let's see, can you follow me up here? They can. Run, Jared! Run! There's no stopping them! They've reached the defenses! God has abandoned us! Okay, so yeah, definitely some lag at 1,000. Ah! Oh no, they go underneath me! I didn't grow them, so they're... Oh gosh, they're falling from the sky! Oh! What the heck? Okay, we gotta run! Oh my gosh! They're throwing me! Okay, audio's working. Game software is showing. That's good. I'm showing. Alright. So, working on game. As soon as I start streaming, I'm like, oh no, they get to see all my messy sprites and they get to see how organized I am. And I gotta deal with this. Fun fact, Unreal Engine for some reason makes a new level every time. So let me open up test map. So I've made some advancements from when I last showed. That being, I'm messing with some audio. So that's a spell sound. A really cool one for the big stuff. I'm working on ground textures. Probably gonna downsize these a lot more, but I kind of like the big. Honestly, I kind of like the big texture. I think like it kind of like fits really well. Let's see, trees are looking good. He's no longer a blinding glow. I figured out what problem was that. What the problem was with the glowing textures, so we got that fixed. I started experimenting with what forests are gonna look like. Trying to get the hitboxes on here, because like I want to make it so I can roll off this thing, but instead I can just get stuck. I gotta get motion blur off. I'm not sure how to get rid of that. Was that shadow blur? I'm not sure. Then I don't know if I showed this off. I don't think this existed then, but I started working on a mock colony or kingdom. So we got a few textures we gotta fix, especially with this little red dot I use for measuring. But yeah, really liking how the buildings are looking. I really like it. Oh, I love giant magic circles. Oh, it's so cool. So, got some textures over here to fix. I also want to try adding another enemy, which I'm ahead of myself. I technically have two enemies? Technically I have 2 enemies, but they just don't do anything. They just stand. So I'll have to figure out that stuff. But I do want to show off the newest enemy. I can't get out because I changed jump. I do want to show... Oh, hold on. Skell. Get this going. I want to show my newest enemy real quick, because he is adorable. Okay. I have to be careful when my folders open, because fun fact, it actually shows my full name in some of them. So, you know, oops. Luckily, I noticed that and I took that video down, so I just have to remember which video that was that I downloaded to edit. X-Wing, Castle Walls, Golem. Here we go. Yeah, so I got me a slimy boy here. And just some basic animations he has. So he's looking around for idling, that's moving forward, and that's a hit. Hold on there. So, texture, so yeah, idle, looking to the left, looking to the right, moving forward from the side, and then that's supposed to be like taking damage, and then that's dead. So let's see, let's make a... Honestly, I think if I want to do like a side profile of him not moving, all I have to do would be... Let's go top, erase this eye, and then do that. Yeah, there we go. That looks like it's from the side. And then I feel like this one's too... He's not ballish enough. He's not the right shape. Let's fix that real quick. So, yeah, I want more of a girthy, globby boy. Let's go like that. There we go. That looks like that definitely looks more like he's moving forward now. And swap to here. And I love Piscal. It's an awesome software. It's actually the exact same software I used when I made my first game. All them years ago in high school. And it holds up like really well. Let's get the full view back out, so... Oh, yep, we got some missing parts here, so... That, and then... There we go. So I still need to learn a lot about Unreal. I got... Let's do a... Export... Slimes, save. And we go back into Unreal. So I will have to organize all this. Pull up the slime spreadsheet in here. So here's just some cool advice if you want to make a 2D image in Unreal. So if your textures start to get blurry like this, what you want to do is go over here before you separate the sprites, because I don't think you can fix it once you separate them. Go in here, then you look up Filter, and you turn it nearest, and that you see that closes them up a lot. Now, I'm not sure what this does, but it's what someone recommended. But you go over, you change default to user interface, and it kind of changes the colors a little bit. I think it makes the colors match a little bit better. Yeah, so that's good. So we hit save, close that window, then you hit right click on here, sprite actions, extract sprites, and then it tries, which is really cool with Unreal, is like it actually tries to do things automatically for you. Not very good if you have separate particles in the same thing, because then it thinks those are separate things. So what you want to do is you go to grid, then for this game, I use 32 by 32 for most of my texture sizes. Extract, and there we go. We got our slimy boy. So now we need to make a character. Let's go here, blueprint class. And I always get these mixed up because there's multiple ones that sound like they could be a character. Character okay, yes. Character, duh. Okay, we'll call him just Slime. And we open him up. This gives us character creation. Okay, go in here. Now, there is stuff I still have to edit a lot about how everything's going to work. These are all very, very base bone kind of stuff. Let's go. So we're going to add a... So we turn that slime into a sprite, so we're going to turn it into a... Let's see, paper grounded sprite. Let me look up slime. It's slime 1. And there he is. So he's facing the wrong way. The sensitivity is just a bit too high every time I go into this window. 90. Then I'm debating if I want them to be like bigger slimes or more of a just like a really small enemy. Ooh, hold on, I forgot something. Okay, so compile that real quick. So in each this is the biggest pain with sprites. So it doesn't get auto-centering, so you have to do that manually. So, I remember. I haven't had to do this in a bit. Oh no, pivot point. There we go. So, bottom, center. There we go. Now that should make him easier to move around. So I'm just going to keep that open and just put it over there. And then, bottom, center. Save. Yes, I got to do this to all of them real quick. I guarantee you there's a way to do it automatically. I'm just not sure of what it is. Bottom center, save. Bottom center. Center. And last one. There we go. Switching from like 2D to 3D and back again. Well, from 3D, 2D, back to 3D, back to 2D. It's really nice how easy some stuff is compared to 3D stuff. Just with animation. Okay, let's see. These hitboxes always confuse me. So, I swear there's physics material. I have to figure out this stuff too. I mean, it seems pretty obvious. On click, on stuff. Okay, I think it's this. Nope. Oh, here we go. Okay. So let's get it. Round is our boy here, and then lower him down to the bottom. Let's put him center. Okay, so you gotta compile. Pull him in. House human. I need to find out how to make thumbnails. Alright, here he is. Strangely, it's scaling the sprite, not the hitbox. Oh gosh. It's definitely not. He won't be that big, but did I? Oh, dang, did I forget it? Ah, don't tell me I forgot. Okay, so it's not in here. So to make sprites be able to interact with light, you need to change them to mask lit material. There we go. Save that. A little bit duller. Yeah, I don't know how to make that more... Oh, hold on a second. I'm on tech support from my university, and they're not really the best. I'll have to keep an eye on my phone. Like, I told them they should call me. That's the only option they had, actually. I prefer email, so I don't have to communicate. It's not just random out of nowhere calls. So if I have to, mute for a bit, that's why. Let me get some stuff going real quick. Just gaze upon our glorious slug boy. Slime boy. Looks like he's just like a big old Pinocchio nose. Oh, Cuddly's streaming right now. If I actually remember to raid at the end of this, we'll go say hi to him. Anything else new? Oh yeah, I'm working on... Yeah, I can show this off. Oh, this tries to load. I should just delete that. It's gonna keep doing that every time. Crud, I forgot it. I forgot. Oh yeah, well. Deal with that later. I gotta check my email again. Hold on. I just need to put this up on a different window. Okay, no, it's just me getting graded. Okay, whatever. Every time. Yeah, so here's what I'm thinking for... He's a bit big. He's a big boy, so we'll shrink him down a bit. So they'll have a name that goes over, and then you'll be able to see an indicator saying what they're doing, what their job is. So you can be like, oh, hey, I need to talk to the blacksmith. I need to talk to the woodcutter. So, but yeah, and then got to figure out how to make that transition a bit better. You can even see his two other halves. You see his backside and his front. So ideally, it's swap here. I have to figure out how to do this, because so he's got that tripod set up. I gotta figure out how to make it so that when the player, so like from here, you'd only see the front. When you get here, you'd only see the side. Still see the side from here, and then we got here, it should only show the back. It's gonna swap like that. And then similar to that, that's how structures are gonna be too. Where when you're far enough away, they won't be full structures, they'll actually just be one image. They'll be most likely just like a recreation of the front, and then, well, in the sides and stuff. And they'll look towards you and rotate. Okay. Does that have... Up in the balcony. Free me. I have to say, I really do like the houses. I think they came out looking really cool. Definitely need a little bit more work. And then, you know, we got a little side alley back here. You can almost do like those, Ooh, whoa, that was a good jump. You can almost do like those, oh, what are they, like Counter-Strike videos where you're just sliding on roofs? Except, hold on, let's see if I can do it. Except if you don't... Yeah, right here. I can't jump, and I'm stuck. I need to tweak the player thing of... Oh, there we go. See, like, I want to be able to stop. Or, like, go up. Because, like, that's only a 45-degree angle. I should be able to walk up that, I think. See, I'm stuck again. Come on, free me. Free me. So we'll have to fix that with the collision. Actually, then if we go over here real quick. Okay, just need to get that. My character's actually in the ground. So we need to fix that. Oh. Good, okay. So let's fix the player. So... Okay, so go into a viewport. So now that I've learned how to actually, like, edit hitboxes, we're going to remove this. We're just going to use the base cylinder as the hitbox. And extend it out. Oh, maybe keep it down, and then out. And let's grab both of these and just make them... Oh, come on. Nope. It doesn't have... Unreal doesn't have a good redo button. Let's see. So we just have to move you up. That high, that wide. You'll have to set this back up anyway, so let's get you to 0. And move the camera up into his face. Pile. We'll have to move the body back or the camera forward a little bit more because I can see through my body. I think that's pretty. I think height-wise, that's really good because like that's where I want to see is like you can see like the top of your shirt, which is more realistic. I say as I'm a 2D PNG character. Forward. So how are we on? Yeah, no, you're still too low. And you can't like. Oh no, there you go. Let's try that. Not. Maybe I need to add a limiter. There should be a limit on the thing already. Huh. I also want to add it so that, like... I'm debating if I want to do this, but how you access inventory is actually going to be you look down, and you see that little pouch on my left hip? So you won't be able to look over at it, but you have to look down and push E to access your inventory. Instead of just pushing E at any time, I'll have to actually look down and get it. I spend way too much time just bouncing around. Oh, and from the side. Oh, back over. Bam, dead. All right. Yeah, there's some glimpses into the combat, and I'm blushing. Okay, so can I look at event graph, camera input? Yaw pitch. Control this volume of players. Define reference collapse node. I'm trying to add a limiter. Or even not sure where to put it on. I have this junk. There's a lot of stuff I gotta do. Okay. Maybe we should try... Actually, no, let me test something. So we just moved the hitbox around. I want to go see how that affects our movement in the city. Let me hop up here real quick. Boink. Okay, so... Okay. Ooh, okay. Slide off. Okay, we were able to get out of that. Now, can I fit through here? Nope. I'm too dummy thick. Can I fit through here? Oh, yeah, because there's no collision on the doors. Right. Interesting. I can go that way, but I can't go back. Okay. So, man, I just like seeing this. It looks so cool. Okay, yeah, you go away. Cool sound effect I made, but it's getting annoying to hear over and over again. And my parkour testing area needs an upgrade, I think. That. Just to test a bunch of stuff. Okay, so let's get... Let's make the slime our first actual enemy. Let's work on that, so... Let's see, which ones would this be? So slime... Alright, let's... There we go. Okay. So add sprite. Make this side profile. Wait, shouldn't that be 0 at a certain point? Oh no, that's scale. Ah. Let's just run that out. -13. Scale wise, it's 1.18. The slime just kind of looks like a slime from any direction. Oh, I lost him. Okay, so compile. Sari looks in-game. Okay, side texture needs to be fixed like the other. There we go. Go here and here, and I go create flipbook, slime, moved side. And here, create flipbook, slime, move forward. Let's go here. Here, slime idle 2, and then regular slime idle will just be it's sitting still, and from here to create a flipbook, slime hit front. Okay. So now we got a bunch of flip books. Boink, 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 boink. Alright, so actually, I shouldn't be using sprites to make them. I should be actually using... Let's go viewport. Add flipbook. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. So let's bring them down to -13. Rotation to 90. 90. Boink, 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 boink. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Add flipbook. Side. 13. Why is it? It's so low. Why is it? That's not right. Oh, hold on. I see why. It's. Oh yeah, it's scaling off. Okay, no. So yeah, base it off you, and then we go flipbook. And then we go slime idle. Slime. Did it just delete? Hold on. It should have deleted it. Wait, no, there it is. Slide, move, side. So why isn't it in here? Oh, there it is. Okay, weird. So that should be... That should fix it. There we go. Let me fix their scale. No, actually, this should be... You know, it's when they're moving. So it should be slime idle. We need a side slime idle. Create flipbook. Slime idle side. Slime move. Okay. So we got that going. And then do I have to apply the material? Oh, I do. Okay. So yeah, that's the animator, so that's fine for you for now. Let's get the side to side one. Turn that down to like 2. Let's see. So, center. So you should start uncentered. Yeah, this timeline doesn't make much sense to me. Left. Okay, let's add a keyframe. Make this slime, and default. There we go. So there's got a left, center, right. There we go. So now I'm just looking around. Okay, so that one's good. Then let me look up the tutorial real quick. Let's see. There we go. Just have to move it fast enough. YouTube. It's a me. How am I doing on stuff? YouTube, real quick. Okay. Unreal Engine 5 enemy move towards player. Ooh, okay, that one's gonna be useful. Move to where I point. Sight detection. Look at AI behavior tree. I just need a simple follow me. Sight detection and chase. Well, this one's 5 minutes, so. What damage
Guys, welcome back to another Unreal content. So let me hit play and show what we made today. So the AI is just going to walk about minding its own business until it sees us, and then as you can see, it is now chasing us. The speed hasn't increased, but I can do that if we wanted as well. What I'm basically going over is the AI is going to spot us, and chasers, and if it loses sight, as you can see there, it's walked off for personal needs. So this is, don't worry, what we can do is go to our character blueprint, so here it is in content, third person blueprints, select it and hit Ctrl C, then go to the folder you want your AI to be in and hit Ctrl V to paste it there. Then you can hit F2 to rename it, but I'm just going to delete it as I already have one. Then you can open it up and delete all the code and components which you don't need. This just allows us to nice and easily already have everything set up which we want. And in here,
Okay, so that's if you're using 3D, guys.
Code, which you can see on screen here, and I'll also have a video which I'll leave a link to in the description over setting up and creating this code here. So once you've got everything else in your AI set up, it's time to start adding in the site detection values. So obviously we have hearing as well. We're not going to go over that today. So the sight radius, you can increase how far they're going to be able to see.
Oh, sorry, did he add that? So I get for bouncing around.
And creating this code here. So once you've got everything else in your AI set up, it's time to start adding in the site detection. So we can go to the viewport, add a component, and we want to add pawn sensing, as you can see here.
Okay, so let's start there. So open U, go into viewport, add pawn sensing. Okay. Oh, that's quite the sensory boy we got here. It's a little above him. Can I move it down? Oh, I can make him react to sound. Oh, that would be a cool. That'd be a cool implementation. Make sound-based enemies that like. Yeah, I could work. I could work with that.
We'll compile and save that, and then in here we can just change all the different values. So obviously we have hearing as well. We're not going to go over that today. So the sight radius, you can increase how far they're going to be able to see. So like this, I think the default of 5,000 is good.
Okay, so he's very basic. So let's lower his sight radius down to like his immediate area. Hearing. Oh, okay, so yeah, hearing. Make hearing very small. Sense influence hearing max sound. And oh, I can set hearing.
And you can
This is making me really excited.
Which they see, so their peripheral vision.
Oh, I can. Which one is that? Wow. Oh, okay, so that's their actual eyesight. Cool. Okay, he's a slime, so I might want to go. Like, you can just kind of see in all directions, I think.
So something like this, so you can really just customize this to get it perfect for you. And what I like to do is place the AI in the level and have them selected so I can see this in the actual world, so I get a good reference of what it's going to be. So how that angle and that far.
Yeah, we can see it in game.
Is good for me. That will work. So open this back up again. And also with this, it already has it built in for objects, so it does have object permanence as well, so it won't be able to just see you through.
Oh, that is awesome.
That wall is there, has proper closure.
This is why I like Unreal. It has so much stuff built into it already.
We're going to change.
You just twist some dials.
It's ticked, but it should be ticked by default. Then we're going to scroll down.
I'm sorry, what did you say? Sense. Ooh, see pawns, hear noise. Only senses player.
Until we get the events, and we're going to get the on see pawn event here.
Oh, on see pawn event. Okay.
What we're going to do is out of this, we're going to get a sequence node. So you can hold down S left click to get that. Then 0 is going to go into an AI move to node, with the pawn obviously being get a reference to self, so it's moving this AI. And the destination we're going to leave as 000, as we're going to use the target actor instead. So the target actor can just go into pawn of the on see pawn. So whatever pawn that the AI...
Ah, this is where stuff gets fun, as in it doesn't work. So if I pull off... So this is move to location or actor. Oh, hold on. That's wrong. AI move to. Here we go. Okay, and then we get the self. pawn goes to target actor. So is it alt click to alt click? Nope, that deletes them. Good to know. I didn't know that before. Okay, so we'll just spaghetti things in there. Okay.
That is now going to be the target that the AI is just going to go towards. So wherever the AI moves to, this will constantly be chasing that location and just be following the player. So this is nice and efficient and a really good way of doing it. However, this is going to constantly follow the player even when the AI can no longer see us.
Oh, hold on. Okay, so I want to test this out now. Move. Move. Okay. Let's see. Print string. I see you. Okay, let's try that. Oh, yep, he sees me. Okay, so he's seeing me. Man, I love this thing. This thing is awesome. You just go, oh, honest. Let me check if this is working at all. Okay, so it's unable to move right now. So I might need to...
So how do we set it up to stop them doing that? Well, out of then...
Oh, wait, hold on. He has a character movement. Character movement chart. I put in here.
One, we're going to get a re-triggerable delay, as you can see here, and the duration of this wants to be 0.6 or higher. So again, I'm going to put mine as 1. The reason why it needs to be 0.6 or higher, and the reason why this will actually work, is because if we select the pawn sensing, you'll notice our sensing interval is 0.5. So this event here will fire off every 0.5 seconds that the AI is seeing the player. So it will fire off, come through this. If 1 second has passed and this hasn't fired off again, it will fire off the code out of this, because a re-triggerable delay will restart from the beginning.
So if... Oh, okay, so if he isn't seen, then do duration trigger.
So if the AI sees us, it will go to 1, and if they're still seeing us, it will restart again continually until the AI has no longer seen us. So again, this value here, you will change depending on how long you want the AI to be able to continue chasing the player for after they've seen us. So again, you might want a nice 5 or 10 seconds, just so to make sure that when the player walks around a corner, the AI doesn't suddenly lose sight of them. Anything along those lines really, you just put this in here, and you probably want to do some testing.
Oh, okay, so it doesn't lose tracking as soon as it loses sight. It has the duration is how long it'll keep looking for you before it backs off.
But to actually stop the AI from chasing us, what you can do is either stop movement immediately, or you can do an AI move to and just have the destination as get actor location, so it just stops them where they are. But what I'm going to do is just call my random roam code. So it's just going to go straight back into my random roaming. Now if you have patrol code, you can...
Ooh, hold on. Is random movement a pre... Ah, it's not. Dang it, that would have been awesome. Okay, yeah, we'll just target self then.
could put the patrol there, but essentially whatever you want the AI to start doing when they stop chasing, you put that there. And that is pretty much it. It's very, very simple code to do. So we can compile and say AI can act to project, and then just make this the size of the area which we have to actually move in our level. So we're going to go up to the add to project up in the top left up here, go down to volumes.
Blueprint is not AI controller, therefore controller. It's not AI controller. Dret. Foiled again. Okay, so make that.
And at the top one of nav mesh bounds volume.
Okay, so here we go. Add volumes. This is a nav mesh? I think this looks a lot different than what I used to use. Let's just increase this area. Let's try that.
And this again just means that the AI can actually walk about in our level. So we're just going to put this pretty much in the middle of our
Oh, so it's a bounding block. So they can walk anywhere.
Which we have.
But this makes it so they only walk in there.
And if we were to press P, we can preview what this is going to look like.
Can I? P. Ah! Okay, cool. Oh, we can even go up the ramp. Why can't you get up here? You can't get through the door.
So anywhere that is green, the AI can walk. So this is going to be perfect for me. So I'll press P again and hit play to test this out. So again, they're walking about, they've seen me, and they're now coming towards me. You can see they are chasing me like this. And if I were to get out of sight for over 1 second, they will stop chasing. And as I've created this.
Event began in a room, get location. Okay, let's see if he works now. He works! Oh, he's terrifying! He stopped. Ah! Get it off! Get it off! Get it off! Oh. So is that you? Ah! I can't tell what's its front and what's its back. I don't think it cares. Oh. He's a little fast. Oh, we gotta test stuff out. Okay, so still chasing? Still chasing. Stuck, buddy? Oh, here he comes. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so we have our first chase enemy. Interesting. So now he's stuck up there. Okay, let's get him down to actual size. Yeah, there we go. That's more like it. Oh, gosh, he's so fast. Oh, I think... The radius is a bit weird. Peekaboo! Hello? Okay, which one's your front? I see you, I see you. Yeah, so I'm going out of his sight range constantly. Okay, let's see. Slime. Re-trigger delay. Oh, it's an if-then thing. So then do this and then that. Self-on AI move. Okay, so let's mess with his sensing. Yeah, I think having a sight radius like that is messing with him. So let's try like that, and then go very sight radius. Try that. Excuse me. Okay, so he was able to see me a lot easier. Okay, he's moving and grooving. Let's go to... See if he's moving. I'll have to make a random roam component like that guy has, because I do want them to move randomly. Ugh. Oh yeah, I was gonna mess with its gravity scale, max acceleration, braking speed, tooltip, swimming. Here we go, movement. Max step height, walkable floor angle. Wait, can I make him be able to... Oh, he is a slime. Maybe I should make him be able to go up 90 degrees. Walkable floor Z. Max walk speed. Okay, here we go. So let's turn him down to, like, half. Okay. Let's see what that does. There we go. So now he's a lot more manageable. Okay. Oh, he's looking for me. Oop. Oh, I'm outside the nav mesh now. Okay. Interesting. That's going to be a problem if I want this to be open world. I'm not sure how to make it so that he follows. And he doesn't see me behind, which is also a problem. Like, you see me, and doesn't. Can't get him to... Oh, come on. You almost had me. Come on, turn around. Face me. Okay. Viewport. Whoop. 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 Okay, you... Okay, let's try that. There we go. Yeah, okay, so... I kind of want sensing for some of them to be more... Can I rotate eyesight? Tick, advanced... Hearing threshold. Only sense player, hear noises. My player doesn't make any noises yet, so... Replication? I can make it a replicator. Can ever affect navigation. Whether this component can potentially influence navigation. Or like it could be a blockade or something. How could I make... Category. Character. So I could see pawns. I want more of a sensory thing rather than sight for him. Come on, I want to see something though. Over here. How many can I make? Alright. They'll see me. Oh, that was terrifying. And I just whoop. And the broken. Whoop. Hello! And they start following me again. So I'll have to... Oh, if I... Maybe if I attach the... Oh, if I attach the sensory pawn to a part, to an empty that's always facing towards the player, its eyesight would always be on the player. That should work better because... Yes. Yes, maybe, yes. Problem is, don't know how to do that. Let's see, let's go to these. If I go... here. Except it's not connected to anything. It's its own thing, like character movement. Yeah, there's no rotation option. That's not gonna work. On here, components. Rename, duplicate, find class, and content. Browser. No, thank you. Let's get... Doesn't have any... Hold on, we need to look up another YouTuber real quick. Okay, so... Unreal Engine 5... 2D and 3D sprite movement animation. Okay, so this is a guy I've been watching for a bit. Let's see what he's got.
I've been getting a lot of requests on making a tutorial about moving a 2D sprite-based character, not just left and right, but also back and forward. Simple 2D game in Unreal Engine 5 perspective, looking at the character graph of our character blueprint.
Input, move axis, add input.
We simply take an input that we defined in the project settings in the prior video and pass the axis value to the add movement input node. The world direction on X is set to 1, which determines our movement direction. To also enable up and down movement, we need to go back into the project settings and select input direction. Add a node for input axis move up that we just set up in the input settings.
Okay, so that's for player movement.
Then we again want to trigger the add movement input node. However, this time we want the world direction to be -1 on the y-axis. Constraint to plane on move up. By a number, we now move up and down at a value.
Oh, okay, so no, that's just movement. That's not how to animate. Yeah, my YouTube has been extremely slow.
In this video, I will show you how to create a simple 2D game and Control plus left as a brush and create flipbook. Right-click and create a blueprint class. Location of the sprite to match this. Then grab the character blueprint and drop it into the scene. You again want to make sure that the location is zeroed out, so we can land on the collision of our target. Having this set to TSR can lead to strange artifacts. The engine know we want to control this character. Here we can also set the character. Pressing 1. Check if our character is in motion and set one of 2 flipbooks as active.
Okay. Update animation. Okay, here we go. So we go custom event. Event graph. Let's see. No, that doesn't look right. Custom event. Custom function? Event graph here. Let's see, let's go back a little bit. Oh, here we go. Add custom event. Here we go. Okay, date animation. Okay, there we go.
Create a custom event and call it update animation.
Oh, hey, Battleship. How's it going? Dander's ink. Nah, that's just my emotes. Ah, bugger. Now I am. I just lost my spot in the video because I hit my emote button. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Yep, just working on the game. Currently, we're trying to get an animation to work. So
into scale value.
Okay, here we go. So we need character movement. I can spell character. Oh no, is that something? Alright, roll back. It's coming on nicely. We got our here. Let me show this off. We got our first little enemies who follow now. So now we're trying to get them to animate movement. Whoop. And current problem is that they are really easy to evade. They can only see what's in ahead of them. So if I go in front again, they start chasing. Juke! And we lost them. See if I can get one. See their update. Yeah, they have a pretty slow update time too on their visual. Like I was able to, yeah, I can run past them before they can even detect me. Boom. Boom. I really want attack animations. I keep going for the attack, but I don't even have like an attack code up yet. It's literally just crosshair and holding axe. I gotta test something else though real quick. Also, I need to get like a running animation because it's hard to judge speed because I don't see anything besides like the ground. Like, so here I am walking, and here I am running. I guess this is starting sprint speed. Yeah, this is supposed to be like the first enemy you fight, so they're supposed to be pretty low. Eh. Make it? Okay, let's see if we can make this jump. So we're gonna get some slime boy, skeletons, all the good RPG stuff. Then I got then I got basic town building system trying to get going. So I have some test houses and walls. Also testing out a bunch of ground textures. So we got just stone, empty space that just got carried over, and then a muddy dirt kind of looking one. I missed the jump. Yeah, so that's kind of just what we've been working on so far. Okay, so back to try to get this to work. Okay, so
Animation.
oh wait, don't I just do this? Yeah, I just do that. Gosh
The
dang.
character movement component. Search for velocity. Scroll all the way down and click on get velocity. Get the vector length of this.
Maybe say get velocity
Then
first.
check if the length is greater than 0 and attach a select node.
Vector length. What's that?
Grab a reference to the sprite and drag off the set flipbook node.
You want to slow down? This is a lot to deal with. Okay, slime hit front. Wait, no. Hit. Why is that the hit end? Oh no, never mind. It's just naming got messed up. So how are you doing, Colorado? Any updates on your ships or your planes? Okay. Set flip book.
Connect the return value of the select node
Oh, hold on. What is this?
and attach a select node. Grab a reference to the sprite and drag off the set flipbook node. Connect the return value of the select node to new flipbook and connect the execution flow. This setup will basically check if our character is in motion and set one of two flipbooks as active. In the false case, we play the idle animation.
Please connect. Oh god. I hate when I see different colored things and then I'm like, oh no, I don't know if these are gonna connect or not. All my ships have been printed and all planes designed, so just waiting for a next event. Nice. I don't think I've actually seen a propeller-based plane fight in Space Engineers. I'll have to be there for the next event. Okay, so... Ooh, okay, so... If it's not moving, he idles. That's really cool. And then, but if he is moving, then we get... Slime move forward. Ooh, okay, I'm starting to get this. I'm starting to believe. Okay, hold on, I want to see. Does it work? Okay, so they're idling. Nope. I'm missing something.
In the true case, we play the run animation. This will need to be executed on each frame, so we need to call update animation on tick.
Okay, so event tick. Update animation. There we go. So now it should work. Oh, it is working. It's just, it changed the side. Let me make him lose me. Let's check the side. They're back to idling. But if I get in front... Yeah, okay, so I just grabbed the wrong sprite. Okay. So that's... Let's rename this to... See, side view? Well, it depends on what the event is, but more likely my main plane will remain behind. Is that the bomber one you've been working on? Okay, sprite, side view. Okay, there we go, and then I can go slime. Sprite, no, sprite. Ah, come on, sprite. Front view. Okay. So I need both of these to update. So how can we do that? So the target is that one. Ooh, okay, hold on, I got it. So if I go select. If I grab a select again, then I grab sprite front view. It's my cargo assault plane, which is the base for all the other ones. Ah, okay. I don't know if I saw your cargo one. I've never seen one with like a ton of missiles on it. Oh no, I think I did see one with a bunch of seats though. Is it that one? So then we go here, set flip book. That, and then turn this into that. Now then, so this is the front view, so we need to set these two. So when false, do the slime idle 1. We need to do the side one for that. Slime move forward side. slime move side, and then for the front, we need slime move. Let's see, slide hit front, slime move forward. There we go. So now it's not working. Wait, hold on. Oh shoot, those aren't. Unless, can I double connect? Alas, I cannot. Oh, hold on, maybe I can do it like this. Let's try that. And go! It does work! They're moving! Bum 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 bum. Nope, just tagged you at the one. Oh, and they go back to idling. Bum 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 bum. Oh, I love the little animations. They look really happy to want to kill me. Bum 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 bum. Okay, I need to add like slime pets. They look too adorable. Bum 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 bum. Yeet! Oh, where'd he go? Bum 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 bum. Man, this is a lot easier than I thought it would be. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. They get out. Oh, let's see if they give off light. Oh yeah, they do. So they're glowing slime. That's cool. I love unattended features. Bum 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 bum. If I look at them on the side too, they still animate like that. Ah, that's cool. Bum 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 bum. Okay, so I gotta figure out how to make those organization sprites or organization nodes. I could just Google this. I have the technology to do this. Hold on. Unreal Engine 5, how to add nodes to event graph. Right click on the node, type comment. I have been lied to. Rename, collapse node, alignment. Let's see if I can find. Grass one, node comments. Right click on the node, type comments into the. So if I go here. Create refresh nodes, break links, find reference, collapse nodes function, alignment, break add. I'm not seeing. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Type C. Go down to the bottom. Add comment. There we go. Probably a shortcut for that. Up. Okay. Sprite update move. All right. So update. I have no idea. So let's see if I can try to understand what I'm doing here. So we get reference to the character's movements. Are they moving? And then it checks. No. So it's this calls for this is what we're going to use. Then this checks for if it's moving by using a length thingy-mabobber. And if it's greater than 0, which means it is moving, because vectors movement blah blah blah, then it does these two things, which is update the idle. Okay. Woohoo! We are getting this together. This is fun. Okay. And the nice part is once I get this figured out, and I get it set up so that I can like modularize it, I can just make an enemy just like that. So I'll be able to add a lot of stuff. Okay, sequence. Okay, so let's add comment. Oop, nope, go away. Comment. Site. That's what this is. So this is kind of fun. Who needs a degree when you have YouTube? Let's see. I haven't got a call from IT yet. So I assume that means that they are not really concerned about my whole unable to access Creative Cloud, which I need for assignments. That's fun. Oh yeah, just to talk about something. Guess who got a fun, scary text today after putting his credit card number into the Sundance website? Because I had to watch a Sundance film for a assignment. Yeah, so I input my credit card number in there, and then an hour later, I get a text saying, "Hey, your Bob's Burger order is ready. Click the link to get more information." I'm like, I didn't order any burgers. Crud, Sundance robbed me. Which would be $25 for like a ticket. I think they did rob me. But yeah, so I'm freaking out, and I check my expenses. Nope, no burgers purchased on my account. So that was just a spam caller or spam thing. But yeah, not a fun thing to have to deal with in the morning. Yeah, I don't like this stuff. I debated replying, but I mean, like, what I've been told is, like, you don't reply to that stuff because then they just... Hold on, I can actually... Oh, this is actually really cool. I want to show this off. Okay. So when you push play, you can actually see the logic of the game working. So you see those like dots? They're really small, but you can, when it sees me, it sends dots over there. When it doesn't, it do not. Pretty neat. Okay, so that's how those work. So now I need to have a system turn on and off different sprites. That can be done by, let's see, category. Essentially, I need to get reference to the player characters, location in the world. And then if it's less than or equal to rotation-wise or something. I don't know how to do that. Other games have done it, and I just need to find a good reference for them. Now that I'm not in YouTube, can I turn off my emotes, please? There we go. So we do have that. I want to turn down... before I turn it down, I want to see their... Hello? Oh, that was weird. The game wasn't there. Okay. I just want to see their adorable little jiggles one last time before I slow them down. Okay. So we need you. I want to turn you down to, say, 2 frames a second. Oh yeah, there we go. That looks slimy. Let's get the side profile. Slime sprites 5. Hold on, where is... Here you are. It's like, babe, come over. I can't. I'm coding a game. My parents aren't home. Get me affiliate and I'll make this little bugger my first emote. There we go. I think that looks. I think that speed will be much better. Okay, they still move a bit too fast for slime, in my opinion. So let's turn P mode off. Oh wait, hold on a second. I think I see why it wasn't working before. Oh, there we go. Now they should be able to chase me up there. Okay, so let's give that a try too. But slime, create. Wait, no. Undo. Slime, edit. Character movement, gravity. Don't need to mess with that. Character move. Okay, here we go. I'm sinking. Sinking. I am sinking. The Simon's Fusen. Oh. See, I kind of want to make them have jerky movement. That's gonna take a while. Alright, follow me, boys. I'm gonna drink while we wait for them to approach. So I think this would be level 1 slimes, though. He's like practically harmless. Teach the player how to fight, how to collect stuff. Ooh, I'll have to... I'm thinking of sound effects. And I'll have to find out how to do sound effects. It should be similar to movement of sprites, actually. Let's see, can you follow me up here? They can! Run, Jared! Run! There's no stopping them! They've reached the defenses! God has abandoned us! Hold on, will they follow me off the edge? Alright, here they come. Hey. Nerd. Geek. Icky. Oh, I think I have random rotation on them. I think that would actually solve the problem. Kinda. Maybe. Probably not. Let's see. So... well, let's try this. So... if I get... go here, go... sound... media sound, okay. Mono, stereo. Stereo is 2, I think. Let's see, what sounds do I have? I have my death laser. Oh, is that not? No, that's channels. Sound effect chain, bass, sound class. Where do I actually put the sound in this thing? Sound class, master music, special attack, voice, user data, replication, cooking. Maybe it's not on. Content, sprites, magic, death laser, edit, viewport. So it's just called audio. I put in sound. Okay. Oh no, did I just... Add sound. Okay. That doesn't look right either. What am I missing here? Circle. Media sound. Where's... Where's the sound played? I have no idea where the sound is coming from this. Effects. It's not any of these. That's the magic circle. Oh, hold on. Yeah, so it's in audio. I copy you. I delete you. Didn't work. Why doesn't that work? Oh, come on. Ugh, there's too many search bars in this. So there's media sound. Hold on, is it just... Do I just do this? Apparently. Okay, so sound plays. Audio, and if I go... Let's see, where is, like, do not play on first? Follow attack, start tick enabled. Randomization. No, do not auto activate. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now we're gonna. This is gonna be very noisy and very annoying. But okay, so if we get this, copy, paste. Okay, so get character movement. Character is moving. It's greater than less than that. Then. So select. No, maybe it would be a select. So select. And then we do a. Okay, get rid of that. Okay. What is it? Play audio? Let's see. Cannot connect. Let's see, doesn't even plugged into something. Maybe this? Yeah, I won't even need this if I just connect it to that. Okay. Well, it didn't seem to work. Maybe because it's not, like, conditional at all with here? Yeah, just according to this, it's just like... It's updated, so maybe not. So this, it has to be connected through here somehow, I think. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, we might just have to figure that part out at a different time. What the? Hold on, did you see that? Why are you in my face? Maybe... Oh, hold on, did I ever update... Did I update it? Two? See what that does. I think that's what they set it to. Ooh, okay. I run behind them. I run behind them. Oh, there we go. Okay. Whew. So they do like... They seem like they have a little bit better detection. I want to see your side animations. Boink, 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 boink. Let me see my art. It does seem like decreasing it has given them better follow chance. Let's see how they handle... Let's see. See how they handle, like... high speed. I'm curious. I can't see. Are they chasing me? Oh. Hello? I think I killed him. I think I broke him. So let's check on your brothers. So still, they're a little glitchy at high... Oh, whoa. Oh, I took him outside of the bounds. That's what happened. I don't know if you use the front. Okay. You, like, slam into me, and then you kind of just stop. What give? What... I keep taking him out of bounds. Huh. Boink. 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 I kind of want to see this. So we grab a mesh. Just open the gate a little bit. Where'd the nav mesh go? There we go. Okay, follow me. They seem to be doing... Oh, I have crashed. Oh. Okay, come on, you. Come on. There you go. Okay, we got one out. Yeah, the I mentioned it before. Let's try say 5. Let's see what that does. That one kept moving a bit longer. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Isn't it set to... string, I see, sequence. Wait, did something get deleted? I feel like I'm missing part of it. I feel like I'm missing part of his code. For the when it loses sight. Trigger. Oh, right, here it is.
Straight back into my random roaming. Now, if you have patrol code, you could put the patrol there. But essentially, whatever you want the AI to start doing when they stop chasing, you put that there. And
do you have a random roam? Oh, yeah, you do. It's right here. Let's get that going then.
hey guys, and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Me walking about. As you
Seems to use it a bit.
Customize this to move longer distances, shorter distances. We should be able to see them just walk. So the first thing you want to do is you obviously want to actually create your AI order, opening it up straight away. I'm then going to delete all the code and components that I don't need, for example the camera and all that stuff, and I'm also just going to change the mesh over to be the male mannequin instead of the female one, just to make it slightly different. So we'll compile and save that there. And the reason why I duplicated
It copied and pasted over to me now? What? What's going on?
is just because it
Sorry,
has all
I'm watching a
the
tutorial right now
components
trying to get some
for us.
coding down.
Obviously you can get that as well by just creating a new character blueprint, but this is just an easier and quicker way of doing it. So to actually do the random roam code, what we're going to do is right click anywhere in the event graph and add a custom event, naming this random roam, or whatever you want to call it.
Okay, so... we need a custom event. Call this wander.
Out of this, we're going to get AI move to, the kind of white box next to it.
AI
And the pawn is
2.
going to get a reference to self.
1 again.
As the pawn is just the AI which it wants to move. So we obviously want to move this current AI that we are in, so we're going to get reference to self. Out of destination, so where we want the AI to move to, what we're going to do is get random reachable point in radius. So
Get
it's just going to get a random
random
area that it can access.
Man, that is awesome.
Within a certain area
That is
choose.
so much
Radius, I'm going
easier.
to put as 2500. Anywhere between 1000 and 3000 is good for a small area, for example the one which I have here by default. And the origin you can either put as the center of the map, or what I like to do is just get actor location, so where the AI currently is. The difference between getting the AI location and the map location is in the map that will be a static location.
How you doing, Matt?
In a certain area, but if it's the AI location, then it will constantly be changing, so they can explore the entire map in the area which we define AIs to actually be able to move in. And that is pretty much it. Although
Really?
what we're going to do is on success, call function random roam again, so once they get to that location, they're going to continue moving.
Success. Random. Oh no, I said this to wander. There we go. So wander.
Now what you can do is you can put a delay after the on success and before random roam, so it just waits a little bit before moving again, but I like to keep it like this because it just...
That's actually really good. Wait. Wait like 3 seconds.
looks nice and fluid. So we'll compile and save that, and that is all the code done for us, all we need to do. We'll close this, and the final step...
Nope, nope. This blueprint itself is not gameplay task. Okay. On success. Wait. Maybe it's like a delay. Delay. Delay by 5. There we go. Okay, that worked. Then we go back into here. And we call wander. We'll change this to ooh, was that? Okay. So now yeah, they're working! Look at them go! Alright, see ya! Let's see if they're gonna do it again. 1. Oh, look at them go! They're moving around on their own! Okay, but it's not fun when you guys don't look at me. Okay. Yes, okay, the AI's coming together. Okay, now go away. Oh, I can actually see those side movements now. Ah! Oh, crap, they've actually pinned me. Help! Someone get the Royal Guards! Oh, juked! Juked! Wait, what? Where'd you go? Oh, I went off to go pay attention to me. Yeah, I think I might need to decrease their wander radius. They go pretty far. Let's see. I think they might be stuck on wander mode though. Hold on. Can you see me? Oh, right. That's... Ooh, but that gets them from breaking. Oh, sweet. Okay. So yeah, no. When they're in follow mode, they'll keep following me. Maybe... I think there needs to be a delay. Yeah, okay, so when it's lost, wait 5 seconds before triggering the wandering. Okay.
And the project is just to actually move. So we can just expand this to go further.
So just doing the nav mesh stuff again.
They can't move them all just moving about code to begin with. So what we're going to do is hold down P and left click to get event begin play. Out of this, call random roam, and that's all we need to do.
So they don't. Let's see, event begin play. We'll call wander. So that way, when the game starts, they automatically move on just randomly. Hey, notice me. Notice me. Don't you run away from me. Get back here. Yeah, this is pretty... Hey, okay, yeah, so the... Okay, so I need to find a way to make them... So we have that. Now we need to make, like, a system where they don't automatically wander off. I mean, they are slimes, so maybe they just have the attention span of a fly. They just go, I don't care, and then just leave. Okay, so let's decrease their... The wandering. Let's decrease that to 500. And comment, increase, and we're gonna call this random wandering. Yeah, I'm starting to figure this stuff out. It's pretty cool. Just to give reference, or credit. So the guy who showed me that is Matt Asplund. And then the other one was Cobra Code. So those are the people I've been watching a lot of. I want to show something else I've been working on. Just side thing. So I started trying to do some sound effects for stuff, and I found some pretty good ones. Not found. I made, which is why I'm really happy about this. I actually made these. Okay, so if I go here, file, recent sound effects. Here we go. So I just started recording a lot of just random sounds, seeing how I could edit them. So here's the default. So that is actually my microphone stand spring. So that's how I got that sound. Then I reverb based it. So that sounds really cool. So if this is hurting your ears. And then I reversed it. So that is what I want that big magic circle to sound like. Is that it goes whoa, 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 and then essentially this, just this sound. Whoa, whoa. And so you just hear this big booming. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So I gotta get a bit more whoa, whoa, whoa in there. But yeah, so that's what that is. This is like a sword unsheathing. Which is actually, let's see if I can find them. It's actually my metal ruler and my scissors I had. Just sink. It's pretty cool. Hold on, I gotta show this one. I'm a little embarrassed by this one, but I think it sounds pretty cool. So I want to add dragons or some, bigger beasts. And so they have to have like a very deep sounding, voice. So I tried doing this. It's just me like grunting into the microphone. So let's see. Then there was this big one. Yeah, so, and I had to like set my throat on the microphone to get that to get some of those. So what were these ones? Alright, that's just me like clicking on the table. Oh no, this is me opening my where is it? Oh yeah, this is me opening my multi-tool kit. Yeah, I was trying to make like a pouch opening sound, so I'll mess with that one a bit more. And this, what's this one? I think this is one I was messing with fabric. Yeah, so that's just me rubbing my blanket against the microphone. And this one is, oh yeah, this is me trying to get like wood knocking sound. Or like damage being done to a building. So not too great for that one, I'll admit. Alright, so we got a bunch of random wandering. Let's see, where am I at stream length-wise? Okay, almost 2 hours. Okay, yeah, definitely reducing their... Okay, what would be... Okay, let me follow the logic here for a second. Okay, so when it sees me, it does two sequences where when it sees me, it moves towards me. When it doesn't see me, there's a delay before it wanders off. Okay. So I want it to... 5 years, 6 days, 22 hours, 30 minutes, and 16 seconds uptime. I think that's a bit longer. Longer than I think I have to stream it. Okay, let's see. I need to make it so... Hold on, what if I do... So it does two things. Yeah, I'm not sure. I need to find a way to make it go, hey, head towards where you saw him last. And stay there for a little bit, and then wander. So let's see. Perform a latent action with a re-triggerable delay. specified in seconds. Calling again while is counting down will reset the counter to duration. Okay. Oh, wait a second. Is it? No, it's always wandering. That's what that's doing, I think. But the... So as soon as it loses... Okay, hold on. So let me add that. Let's make this a really high number. I'm on the ground again. Okay, you follow. Yeah, I want them to be able to follow me. Essentially, like when I jump. Okay, no. So you can you still follow me when I'm in the air like that? Okay, let's mess with their sensory. Let's mess with their sensory organs for a second. Okay, so radius. Okay, incredibly wide. Like they can see just 90, 90, or I guess 180, 180 field of view. Okay, so they see me immediately. If I jump up, they can't see me if I'm in the air. Okay, so what happens if I don't jump? So if I can break their tracking. Yeah. Oh, I had it. Okay, yeah. So you can still break their tracking. And then it's waiting. And waiting. Okay, then it's on me again. Okay, so the wandering isn't what's making them lose me. Okay, so we've established that. Yeah, go eat Fred. Eat Fred. He doesn't move. Yeah, loser. Okay. Shoot. How can I make it so that they'll follow me even when I'm in the air? I want them to, like, go under you. Whoop, boink. Oh, should I actually make, like, slime bouncing a possibility? Well, oh, wait, he's doing it. Hold on. Check it out. I'm riding the slime. Wink. Okay, so maybe there's a... Oh, am I jumping out of his... Okay, let me land, you little bugger. Follows... Follows for a bit. Maybe I'm going too... Well, I doubt I'm jumping that high. But maybe... Let's increase everything to max. And see what that does. Okay, so... Huh. 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 I want them to have like a wider, almost not quite that you can see behind them, but see more of a like there and there rather than just like a there. Can't follow, follows. Juke, 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 juke. Up, juke, 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 juke. The rotation's a bit weird too. It's very jerky. Good job, Tim. Just glances over at him like, this isn't the guy we were looking for. Let's use my body double to see if I can trick him. Ha. Actually, that should count as players, so shouldn't they be chasing this too? Let's see. There's all default senses. Wink. Yeah, so why can I... follow me that? Okay, you're not following as well. Let's get out of their line of sight for a bit. Oh, right. And change their to 5 seconds. And maybe have a system where it does either maybe do it either would be or set actor sense cluster simulation noise touch event get phase creates. There's a lot of ors in here. Unreal Engine 5 either or. Let's see. Oh, either or node. I keep forgetting what these things are called. Is there a or operated node? Okay, let's see. Turn to Reddit. Yes, just need to type or to get it. I did, and I did not. Or. Actor, 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 load actor. Yeah, there's a lot of words that have OR in them. This search bar is not really helping. Constraints, components, draw text. That's neat. I found under logic operators. Logic operators. Logic. Yeah, no, that didn't work. See, can you elaborate on how you found this? Searching for or in the nodes is a list of maybe 5,000 items. Searching for a logic or operator doesn't find it. See, update. I used Boolean variant get node dragged off with the context typed or to locate this in case others have trouble. Not easy node to find. I often wish operators were always at the top of the list instead of. I used to. Oh. Okay. Let's see. I guess right now, we don't have too much time. Exactly 1 minute left. So, I think I'm going to just add some variables now for the future. So, he's going to need a health system, which will be a float, because that's a number. Gonna need XP drop, which will be like a range. So health, XP drop, and then let's see, public so I can see it. Just make all of them public, I think. So health, we'll say it's like 5. And then close Death Laser real quick and add some blueprints. First person, okay. So it looks like I already did this for this. So player health base, player damage base, player armor base, player is dead. Okay, and then I need to add floats for different types of mana we're gonna have. So yellow mana, that. Red mana. Blue mana. Gray mana. Green mana. So let's see. Oh yeah, we need yellow mana. Oh no, we have that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, okay, that works. So those little floats. So can I organize this stuff? What are the ones I'm going to need? So I have walk speed, sprint speed. Just have to fix that. I feel like output that to canvas. He was randomly moving, then he saw me. Let's see. Wait for like 5 seconds. There we go. Having someone actually chase you does change the feel. Oh, you know, I think I need to add random look locations too. Like once they see, there has to be. I'm trying to make it very similar to actually like how Minecraft mobs work, where they have like a basic area of like if you get close, they'll see you regardless. I don't know. Maybe I want to have it site-based rather. I mean, like, I don't think I'd really. I could just make a collider that when player enters it does the exact same thing that the on-site event does. So that's doable. The thought of doing this for like flying monsters. Oh boy. I think this is pretty good progress to make for the day. We have mobs that move around. I've learned how to animate sprites. Oh boy, he coming. Juke. Juke! Okay, so now you need to get them to... Oh, you went around him. Interesting. So I'll have to find ways to get them to set priority targeting. Because I want them to not just, always attack me. I want them to attack NPCs too. I gotta figure out what's with this. Like this... I'm locked in right now. Like, it's hard for me to move. I kind of want, like, a rolling kind of hitboxes. Like, this stops me. I kind of want to be able to, like, roll off. Excuse me? I just kind of want to just be able to roll off him. I don't know what's my... Slimy boys move. Come on. Show me the side animation. Go away. Oh, they saw me. Oh yeah, that's a good slime animation. I really like how they turned out. Oh. Oh, he coming. So you're able to detect me there. About up here. Oh, did he just follow me all the way over there? That's so cool. Whoa! Hello? Oh. Hello. So yeah, I think, oh, did he, oh, I can't see. Yeah, I think he threw himself just barely outside of the detection range. Shame. Face plants. I don't know. His whole body's technically his face, though, so I'm not sure how well... I'm not sure if he can... It'd be more of like a body plant or something. Okay, the simplicity of having an AI chase me is fun. Quick, get to the house! Out! Get to the second story balcony! Haha, can't get me. You make your quick escape out the front door. Can they see me through this? I'm curious. I want to observe them. I think he sees me. Oh! Okay, so they... Did he see me through the crack? Or where did... Okay, shh, don't start... Wait, where did he go? What? You guys confuse me. Okay, see ya. I don't think he sees me. Oh, he sees me. Flee! Flee! Also, hello, Epic. Aha! I am safe. Seeing them just run off in a random direction together makes me think they're smarter than I think and that they're plotting something. Okay, so they have one on lookout. Where's your brother? Oh, look at them scheming down there. Schemy little buggers. You see me. Wait, hold on, can you... Drat, I'm too fat. I still can't fit through the alleyway. Oh, did I get him out of the... Oh, no, there he is. Ah! Whoa. Oh, I have my eyes. That's creepy. Where did I land? Oh. Whoa. Hold on. There's something I want to check. So that sliding thing, is that part of character movement, or what is that? Let's see. So currently walkable. Let's change that up to... What does 90 look like for a player? I want to see this. Okay, so that didn't seem to work. Huh. Okay, so ramps. Can I walk up you or am I gonna slide? There we go. Okay. Oh, so that gives me much more consistency. Okay. So that's one problem solved. But I kind of missed the sliding, I'm not gonna lie. Why is the... Oh, because they're not set to... Oh. Unless... No, are you not set to cast shadows? Sun's up there. I'm casting a shadow. Hold on. Something's with the houses. Content. Sprites. Also, how's your day going, Epic? I don't know if I asked that already, but I'm gonna ask it again anyways. Okay, here. I did not. They're not set to... Okay, give me a second. Let me update all of their textures to accept light. At least interact with light is what I'm setting them to. I'm gonna need to make some fire torches. So I can start experimenting with light. And like particles. Okay, I should save all of that. So if Okay, that looks like they're shadowy. It doesn't. It doesn't look like it. Oh man, that's so much better. Like I said, I like the sliding, but being able to just walk along the rooftops. Oh, this kind of feels like Attack on Titan right now. Vishna Nina stays na, or whatever the one song is. Wait, now I gotta do it. Hold on a second. We gotta test something real quick. Oh, having giant monsters like this that just crush things. That would be interesting. Okay, let's get rid of that nav mesh, and let's just take this one. And just... Can you, there we go. And then just expand it out and across the entire map. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. I gotta see this. Oh, he's upside down. Wait, what's he gonna do when he tries to move? Let's go check on your big brother. You okay? You look a little confused. Can you see me? Oh yeah, he can see me. He's just been inverted. Let's try that again. Slimy boy. Oh gosh, that is intimidating. Oh, he's on my face. Get to the keep. Oh gosh. Oh, you know what would be interesting for a concept, Matsu concept, is that giant slimes, let's say if your walls are damaged, they can slowly start to seep through the wall. So that would incentivize you to keep walls up to date and, like, you know, healed. That'd be interesting. I want to see you wander. Stop looking at me. Go wander off somewhere. I just realized I don't know if I'll be able to actually get up. You gonna go wander off? Hello. Oink. He might be stuck. He's too thick for this world. So he sees me. Let's bring him over here. Come over here. Come on. Come on, big guy. Oh, just restart it. Come on, big fella. Okay, where's your face? Is this your face? Okay. Come this way. Yeah, his... Okay, see, that looks smooth. Quick! He's chasing us to Parkour Alley! Oh, he's like right on my tail. Oh no, I think I lost him. Hello? There he comes. Okay. Then... Huh! Let's make him lose me for a second. Wait, is he actually gonna follow me all the way here? So you go wander around, or what are you gonna do? Witness me! Oh, witness me! Oh, I'm just gonna bounce on his head. Boink. 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 Okay. Yes, we need... I need to see how often, like, Minecraft mobs just, like, turn their heads. Maybe that's how... No, but I swear this time's like, they don't see me, they just turn around and attack, so... There's gotta be a sensory one, and there's gotta be a auto-detect, like you're just too close, kind of one. Yes. Save all of the house parts. I just don't know why you're not casting a shadow like everything else seems. Like, yeah, the trees cast shadows. This wall is casting a shadow, so why? Those walls are casting shadows too, so why do you not cast the shadows? A little bit more of a bigger area to mess around in. I mean, so far, like, you know, I have big plans like him, but oh, you know, let me just walk underneath them. My biggest concern is that I'm not sure how well processing-wise I'll be able to handle stuff, because I eventually want to have like hundreds and hundreds of enemies fighting. So let me. Let's test something real quick before I end stream. So we'll take our slime buddy here. Move him over here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So that's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's 60. Okay, we've reached 90. Okay, this is 120 slimes. No way! Check it out! That's 120 enemies over there, and the game's running great. Okay, now let's see what happens when they all... I see you, I see you. Oh my gosh! Yeah, it's running great! Okay, get off me. Okay. So we're currently at 100 and... I say 130, because, you know, I've deleted and remade them a few times. Okay. So we're gonna bump this up to 260 and see how well that goes. I think a little blur. They're all moving just fine. I see you, I see you. Yeah, I mean, like, it's not bad. Could even say it's epic. Or unreal in an engine. I wish I'm being swarmed. I'm like the rat man. Oh gosh, they're throwing each other into the air. Wait, what the? You guys are seeing them fall from the sky too, right? I mean, like, yeah, this isn't bad. Like, motion blur is not great, but like... Okay. 260 to 390. My goal is to get... Hopefully we can get up to like 1,000. This is 390 we're at right now. Still running just fine. We're gonna run out of map soon. But holy cow, like... 399 individual entities all going about their day. Okay, I'm seeing... maybe some lag. Okay. Okay. Increasing. Okay, so 390. Copy. I'm gonna lose my math here, but... Okay, but this is double what we had before. Okay, yeah. Not lag, but motion blur is getting high. I still feel like very in control. So this is about like 700 slimes right now. Which, I mean, at max, I'm probably only going to do like 500 in the game for like a fight. Okay, yeah, so I do... Let's see how performance is affected... Oh, hold on. No. I know where to test this. Hold on a second. Save. We're going to go to the open world part of the game. Oh yeah, fun fact, on the open world, if you flatten everything, there's the Unreal Engine underneath all of it. Okay, now let's go to new map. Here we go, okay. So let's start over again. So, Slimy Boy, where you at? One slimy boy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And we'll have an accurate slime count now. $40, $50. Let's go up to $100. $90. $100. Okay. So that's 100 slimes. Let's go Control C, Control V. That's 200. 300. 400. 500. 600. 700. 800. I want to go to 1,000. 900. 1,000. Okay, that'll be... That doesn't look like that many, actually. Oh, okay. The detection ring has made a solid object. Oh, look at my little army. Okay. Now we're going to go into volumes, nav mesh component. Make it one big thing. Okay. Okay, so yeah, definitely some lag at 1,000. I mean, it's like a weird lag of still looks smooth, yet still looks laggy. Gosh, look at them. Okay, here they come. Ah! Oh no, they go underneath me. I didn't grow them, so they're... Oh gosh, they're falling from the sky. Oh, what the heck? Alright, this is my... Okay, we gotta run. Boink. Oh my gosh. They're throwing me. Oh my gosh. A slime horde, actually. Now that is an enemy idea. Oh my gosh, they're just falling from the sky. I mean, like, yeah, definitely. Okay. Ooh, okay. So let's try... Let's get away if we can. Let's see how performance increases as I get away. Look how far this one landed. Oh no, there's even one way out here. Yeah, so performance does seem to increase. Yeah, so at this range... I'll have to decide how far I want the detect, well, player rendering to go. Hey there, little buddy. Because, like, being able to see an army that far off in the distance would be really cool. But performance-wise, I don't know if it's going to be possible. Okay, so I'm... Yeah, so still definitely... There's definitely some lag still. Like, it looks like they do despawn after a certain range. Well, not despawn, but, like, shut down, I think? Which is exactly what I want. I want them to, like, not function. So, yeah, completely different part of the island. Okay. Interesting. So, yeah, that's... Yeah, this is 1,000 slimy boys. Which, props to, like, Epic Battle Simulator developers, because, like, they have, what, like, million versus million AI combat? All animated, too. Like, in 3D with blood and physics. Like, how do they do that? And I think it's in Unreal, too. And look, these, oh, look at them. They're all just looking around. They all in sync, too? Yeah. And I can't wait to test this out, but when I can actually do damage and just send them flying, just like big sweeping attacks. Oh, that's gonna be cool. I'll have to send my brother this clip, because he's been trying to get into coding too, so... I don't know if I can... It's kind of a coding language with Unreal, but it's also kind of... It is coding, because coding is just the programming of computer components to perform an action. So yes, I'm coding. But I'm not word coding, like other coding. I'm node coding. Noding. That sounded cool in my head. But... Oh, cool, like all these little arrows like disappear. It actually looks like they all have tiny little spears. And we're just watching them do a spear wall. Oh my gosh. Okay, so far-flung future idea, but what if I did a system where, you know, depending on how far I can get this, you can do a monster kingdom, and you can have slime spear walls, where they'll have, slimes will just randomly have items that they'll, like, if they kill someone, they get one of their items, and so if you kill a lot of spearmen, you can have spear slime that just make little shield walls like this, or spear walls like this. That would be pretty cool. Also, this is running like this with zero, like, optimization. I mean, I bet we could increase this performance. Find ways to, like, lower the ticks of all the searches and stuff. I see you. I see you. I want to just stand here for a moment and see. Hold on, let's go to the center. And they're already falling from the skies. Okay. Let me in the center. If I just stay here. How many can I collect over here? As it just continues to rain slimes down upon me. Boink, 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 boink. Look at me! Look at me! Oh, gosh. Yeah, I would be complete... Wait on. I can still run. Oh, it's literally raining slimes. I mean, yeah, it's laggy, but, like, it's not freeze, like, shut the game down laggy. It's just, like, blurry laggy, which is an interesting kind of laggy to have. Hold on. Let me check something. Edits. Where is it? Project settings. Motion blur. Motion blur. Off. Oh, that's so much better. Okay. So yeah, definitely still a bit laggy. But now let's see what happens when get up close. Greetings! Honestly, like, yeah, not bad. Yeah, this is still, like, very playable. Wink. Okay, next I gotta work on getting, like, player animations, because seeing my stock still body shadow just kind of ruins the immersion a little bit. Whee! Actually, I think I just thought of something. Slime. So health. Who's thinking right now? If I get health. If it's less than or 0. Then do. Oh wait, yeah. So add boolean is dead. Ooh. Having those 1,000 slimes trying to code is... Oh, because it's trying to update all 1,000 of them right now. That's why it's so slow. Yeah, note to self, don't code the slime while in Slime World. Delay, and then... Okay. So that should be a basic health, well, test of dead system. So it gets the health. Is it less than or equal to 0? If so, set boolean to dead. And then delay, and then destroy actor. Oh no, would that even be necessary if... I don't even think the boolean's necessary. I think it might be disconnected. And I'll have to find a way to, like, you know, lower their health and do damage and stuff. But, yeah. Not a bad start, I don't think. Here they come. Boink. Boink. Oh, nothing like a good old slime bounce. I mean, still very much playable. Just more of like playing a presentation rather than a game. I can't even stop moving. They force me to move. And then they just rain down upon me. I love seeing like the I see you, and then what's that? Ooh, what's that? Ah, that's fine. Alright. Well, I made some good progress today. Now I gotta go back to doing homework. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I've gotta go do stuff. Alright, bye.
Sucker tried to blame me, but you never paid me, never. Oh no, you didn't. Payback is a coming, you will be running forever. Oh no, you didn't. Until I get my vengeance, I will never end this mayhem. Oh no, you didn't. I'm a mercenary, you ain't got a prayer, you owe me.